Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we've been here, and there's a reason for that. I I got hurt at work. I tore my Achilles tendon. You can see that. Yep, I'm in a boot. So yeah, so this is putting me back a whole bunch. I actually limped my way out here on crutches out into the garage. Thank God I got an attached garage. But so yeah, I'm basically playing supervisor now. So Michelle has been stepping up, and you'll see she's been painting the inner rockers and the inner quarter panels and stuff like that, getting ready for when the floors do go in. Figured we'd get that stuff done. Scotty's on his way over to start putting these in, or at least start mocking these up and getting them ready to go. And I'm gonna be out here, as long as I can put up with it. So that's where we're at. So yeah, I broke myself. Great. Just what I needed in between this. But yeah, you guys will probably see this probably maybe Sunday or Monday, and then I have surgery hopefully on Wednesday. Hopefully everything's all set. So I have surgery on Wednesday, and then we can get back to healing and mending and therapy and all the fun stuff. And hopefully we're getting something done on the car. Between Michelle and Scotty, we can get something accomplished. So let's get to the video.
This worked just fine. Everything's nice and flush. Get it right there. Cool.
Had that piece cut out and a new piece put in. Welded up some of the snot back here that was blowing through. Still got to get finished, but
Right, that's the intricate stuff.
yeah,
It takes you a little bit more work because you got to make the piece right.
I have to have Michelle go in and film the other stuff. Watching on the little Cold War motors.
Yeah, very.
Scott and the boys. Scott and the agents.
Coming out good. I'm just using a grinding wheel. It seems to cut the welds faster.
Does it?
Yeah. I'm already up to here. I just got to clean this up.
Okay, and then you got that little spot
And then
there.
here, and then this little guy, and then this side is done.
Cool. Wow, this one's like totally gone.
Yeah, that's the one we're going to make the pieces fall with the brake. That one will look like this side over there.
Cool.
Come along.